Hello everyone around the world. So what we have today, we have this OpenView satellite receiver that came in for repairs, coming from the customer. And what the customer is saying, he's saying this OpenView decoder is stuck on red light. Yeah, this is the most common fault on such kind of OpenView. It's getting stuck on red light. To press on, it's not responding, it's not doing anything. So let's jump into it. Here we have 19.3 volts. 19 volts is too much. We are working. This is working with 12 volts, 1.5 amps. So we need to reduce the voltage as well as current. Uh, 1.5 good. Here we need 12 volts, 1.5 amps exactly. This is the most common fault on this satellite receiver. Plug in the power. It's taking 190. It is stuck. It's stuck on red light. It's not responding. It's not doing anything. So that's the problem of this decoder. Even you put HDMI, at this moment is not responding. So let's open this and see what is the problem. I fixed it a few days ago, and that was water damage. And here, let's go on a microscope. So let's see. So here we have some components here. We have some ceramic capacitors, some coils, and here we have electrolyte capacitor. And here is sign of water damage. You can see all those capacitors. This chip, and here we have a black big heat sink here. That we need to take out this. Good. So that is the processor. It's a BGA processor. It's different from the previous that we fixed last time. Okay. Let's disconnect the power. So here what I can see here, we have some corroded components here. MOSFETs. And otherwise, the rest of the motherboard looks fine. We have this glue like, I don't know whether this is glue or some kind of thermal pad. I think this is thermal pad, white thermal pad, which is taking heat out of the processor, because we have the heat sink here. The heat sink. So what you have to do on such kind of fault, you have to clean. That's the first thing that you have to do. You have to clean the motherboard. That is the first thing that you can do. So let's clean this. Let's just clean this. After cleaning, We can dry this board. Let's insulate the area that was affected by water damage. And we can, after insulate the area that is affected, we can reflow the processor and the Apromycin just a little bit. That's all what you have to do here. And the Apromycin. I think we're good. Everything looks okay. I don't think we need a test meter to test anything here. There's no need to test anything. So let's wait for the motherboard to cool down and we'll test. Let's test now. Plug in the power supply and it's taking 191 milliamps. And it's still is not responding. So if it's not responding and it's taking 200, now it's taking 208 milliamps. Whatever consuming that current is shorted. And what do you think is the problem? You see my thermal camera checking out the power. You see the processor is unplugged, but this processor is heating up. Plug it in. So here you have to understand. Here what you can do more, you can try to swap the Apromycin. Maybe the firmware from the Apromycin can be faulty, but in our case we have you can't even hold the CPU. This CPU is gone, so we can't do anything here. So I don't want to waste time, especially on such kind of devices. Yeah, the process is dying so easily. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. If you have such kind of fault, you see water damage, you clean everything, still it's not working, maybe you want to change the firmware from the Apromycin. You can change the firmware if you have it. Maybe that can be solved the problem, but 99.9% is the processor. See you on the next replay. Bye.